The Whispering Willow. In the heart of a serene village nestled at the edge of a deep, enchanted forest, there lived a young girl named Ilara. From a young age, Ilara was known for her gentle spirit and compassionate heart. Her days were spent helping her parents tend to their modest farm, surrounded by fields of golden wheat and grazing sheep under the watchful gaze of towering willow trees. Among these trees, there stood one that was particularly majestic, the Whispering Willow. Its branches stretched gracefully towards the sky, adorned with leaves that shimmered like silver in the sunlight. The villagers believed the Whispering Willow possessed a mysterious power. It could hear the whispers of the wind and the secrets of the forest. Ilara was captivated by the tales spun around the Whispering Willow. Whenever she had a moment to spare from her chores, she would wander to the edge of the forest and sit beneath its sprawling branches. There, amidst the dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves, she would listen intently to the soft rustling of the leaves, hoping to catch a glimpse of the tree's wisdom. One crisp autumn afternoon, as Ilara sat beneath the Whispering Willow, she heard a faint voice carried on the wind, a voice so gentle, it seemed to blend with the rustling of the leaves. It spoke of a hidden path deep within the heart of the forest, a path that led to a place where dreams were born and wishes were whispered into existence. Intrigued by the mysterious voice, Ilara decided to follow the path described by the Whispering Willow. She packed a small bag with provisions, kissed her parents goodbye, and ventured into the depths of the forest. Shafts of golden sunlight pierced through the canopy above, illuminating her path as she walked deeper into the wilderness. As she journeyed further into the forest, Ilara encountered a world of natural wonders. She stumbled upon shimmering ponds where dragonflies danced on the water's surface, stumbled upon meadows bursting with wild flowers that swayed gently in the breeze, and marveled at ancient trees whose roots seemed to intertwine with the very pulse of the earth. After walking for what felt like hours, Ilara came upon a clearing bathed in the soft glow of twilight. At its heart lay a circle of stones, each one radiating a faint, ethereal light. In the center of the circle, there was a pool of crystal-clear water that shimmered like liquid silver under the light of the crescent moon. Ilara approached the pool with a mixture of awe and trepidation. She knelt beside it, gazing into its depths where she saw reflections of stars twinkling in the night sky. It was then that she heard the voice again, the same gentle voice that had spoken to her beneath the Whispering Willow. "You have found the pool of dreams," the voice whispered. "Here, your heart's desires can take shape, and your deepest wishes can come true." Ilara's heart fluttered with excitement and uncertainty. She had always dreamed of exploring lands beyond her village, meeting people from distant cultures, and experiencing the wonders of the world. But now, faced with the possibility of turning her dreams into reality, she hesitated. Remembering the words of her grandmother, who had once told her, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to face it," Ilara summoned her courage. With a deep breath, she closed her eyes and made a wish to embark on a journey that would take her beyond the familiar comforts of home and into the unknown. As she opened her eyes, the surface of the pool began to shimmer and glow with a radiant light. Rising from the water's depths, there emerged a beautiful silver key, intricately carved with symbols that seemed to dance in the moonlight. Ilara reached out and took the key in her hand, feeling its weight and warmth against her skin. With the key clutched tightly in her grasp, Ilara knew that it was a symbol of the courage and determination that had led her to this moment. She realized that the true magic of the Pool of Dreams lay not in granting wishes, but in empowering those who dared to believe in their own strength and resilience. Filled with gratitude, Ilara returned to her village with a heart full of stories and a newfound sense of purpose. She shared her tale of the Whispering Willow and the Pool of Dreams with her family and friends, inspiring them to pursue their own dreams with courage and determination. From that day forward, Ilara continued to visit the Whispering Willow, where she would sit beneath its branches and listen to the secrets of the forest. She knew that the tree had guided her on a journey of self-discovery, a journey that had taught her the true meaning of courage, compassion, and the boundless potential that resides within each of us. As the seasons turned and the years passed, Ilara never forgot the lessons she had learned beneath the Whispering Willow. She carried the memory of the enchanted forest and the Pool of Dreams in her heart, a reminder that magic exists not only in fairy tales but also in the quiet moments of reflection and the unwavering belief in the power of dreams. One day, during a vibrant autumn festival in her village, Ilara met a group of travelers who had journeyed from distant lands. They spoke of their adventures across vast oceans, towering mountains, and sprawling deserts, their eyes sparkling with excitement and wonder. Inspired by their tales, Ilara felt a familiar stirring in her heart, a longing to explore the world beyond the familiar borders of her village. With the blessings of her family and the encouragement of her friends, Ilara embarked on a new journey, a journey that would take her far from home and into the embrace of new cultures, languages, and landscapes. Armed with the wisdom of the Whispering Willow and the courage of her convictions, she set out to discover the beauty and diversity of the world. Along the way, Ilara encountered kindred spirits who shared her passion for exploration and discovery. Together, they traversed bustling cities filled with bustling marketplaces, ancient ruins steeped in history, and remote villages nestled in the shadows of towering mountains. They marveled at the breathtaking beauty of natural wonders, from cascading waterfalls hidden deep within lush Rhine forests to sprawling plains painted with the colors of 1,000 sunsets. Through her travels, Ilara deepened her understanding of the interconnectedness of cultures and civilizations, a tapestry woven by the threads of shared experiences, mutual respect, and the universal language of kindness. She learned that while languages and customs varied from place to place, the human spirit remained resilient and boundless in its capacity for compassion and empathy. As she journeyed across continents and crossed oceans, Ilara continued to carry the silver key from the Pool of Dreams as a symbol of her courage and determination. It served as a reminder of the transformative power of belief in oneself and the limitless possibilities that awaited those who dared to dream. One evening, beneath a canopy of stars in a distant land, Ilara found herself reflecting on the extraordinary journey that had led her to this moment. She remembered the gentle voice of the Whispering Willow, the shimmering pool that had granted her wish, and the lessons learned along the way. She felt a deep sense of gratitude for the experiences that had shaped her into the person she had become, a traveler, a storyteller, and a seeker of beauty and truth. And as Ilara looked up at the familiar constellations that had guided her through countless nights of wonder and discovery, she knew that her journey had only just begun. For she had discovered that the true magic of life lay not in the destination, but in the journey itself, in the moments of connection, the lessons learned, and the dreams pursued with an open heart and a courageous spirit. With each step forward, Ilara carried the wisdom of the Whispering Willow and the echoes of the Pool of Dreams within her, a testament to the enduring power of belief, resilience, and the unwavering pursuit of dreams. And as she continued to explore the world and share her stories with those she met along the way, Ilara knew that she was fulfilling her destiny. A destiny shaped by the whispers of the wind, the secrets of the forest, and the timeless magic of the human spirit. The end.